welcome back to my channel. I'm Kanima. If this is your first time here, please stick around and hit the subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be making Baigan Choka, better known as eggplant or blanche. I'm going to be making it my way. The first thing I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be putting my eggplant to roast in my air fryer, not in the oven, not on the stove. We're going to do it my way, Kanima's way. A few weeks ago I made this eggplant and it was super hot, and to cool it down, what do? Maybe you put lemon juice. I use cucumbers, so I put my cucumber there and I'm eating my Baigan Choka, and I'm like, when I take a slice of my cucumber, and then it got me thinking, why not put my cucumber into my Baigan Choka? Now I know Guyanese people don't like for anyone to change their recipe. They want it to stay true and authentic, and I agree with that for the most part, but I'm always someone who likes to switch things up a bit, so why not put my cucumber in there? So that's the way we're going to be making it. We're going to be changing it a bit, and if you want to come at me, kindly do so in the comments. Very nicely state your opinion and your dislike or your agreement with me, but don't knock it until you try it. Let's get cooking! So here I'm going to grab a medium size eggplant. You're going to put some slits into it all over the eggplant. Here I have about 6 to 7 cloves of garlic. I slit down the middle, and you're going to put those sliced garlic into the slits of the eggplant. You're going to do that all the way around, and when you're done, it's going to look like that. You're going to use about a tablespoon of olive oil and drizzle it over the eggplant, massage it good, and put it into your air fryer. This air fryer has been preheated at 400 degrees. Now here you're going to see my eggplant is a little too large for my basket, so I'm just going to snip that little piece off and make sure that sucker is in there good. And I'm going to leave it. Set it for 25 minutes and let it cook. Bake, roast. And while that's happening, I'm going to work on my onions. I'm using just about half of my onion. I don't even think it's a complete half. I'm going to chop it up, put it into a bowl and pour some water on it and set it aside while I work on my peppers. Now these two peppers are flavoring pepper. They're not hot. My mom sent it to me. I don't know what it's called. I have 1 chili pepper and 1 wiri pepper. You're gonna work it in. You could use as much pepper as you want. Now here, my eggplant is done. Well roasted. Okay, so you're gonna carefully peel the skin of the eggplant off, scooping out the insides, discarding of the skin. Whatever little pieces there, you're gonna make sure you pick it out and mash it well. I'm using the back of a spoon.
Garlic, and you do like this. See, just mash. Disappear.
So now sometimes I like it really smooth, so I would whisk it. You could use any device that you like. Add a little bit of salt. Add some black pepper. Now you're gonna put your strained onions. I dried mine off. Go in with your peppers and my cubed cucumbers. Just throw them right on top. I'm gonna get a tablespoon of oil that is steaming hot, piping hot, and just throw it over. I think you call it chonke. You chonke in the baigan. Work it in. Yes. Now I'm using this ajika seasoning just to give it a little bit of flavor in. It's more on a peppery side, and that's it. Some parsley. Booyah! Lovely. That's it. Okay, so now I want to eat some of this and show you, and all I had is a store-bought roti, which is called paratha, and put it on my hot tawa, flip it a few times. Think I burnt it there, but it's good to go. I'm gonna pretend to clap it like a roti, crunch it up a bit, and let me tell you, this is so good. I'm gonna dig in. There you have it. You can eat this with roti, bread, or rice, or even use it as a dip.
I'm going to dig in with this store-bought roti. I don't feel like making that too, but just look. You gotta try it. You guys, you just gotta try it. This is the ish. Look at that. Nice and chill. Nice and chill vibes. Good amount of heat. Not too much. What we call massive. Massive. GT massive. I know how to make roti, by the way. I want to go sit and eat now. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do leave something in the comments. Let me know what you think of this recipe. And if you're willing to try it. And please do share, like, and subscribe.